and Kamsi, we're here to play basketball. He's going to play in 3x3. We're going to be blasting loud music here today. So it's basketball tour. It's organized by lots of organizations. So Kamsi and his friends from their school, they are going to play here today. Muy bien, hombres. ¡Qué bien! 15-0. Muy bien, hombres. Habéis ganado 3-3. Muy bien. We are going home now. They are the champions of the 3x3 basketball tour in their category. It has been a good year for Kamsi and his team. They won most of the competitions for the 2017-2018 session. So we're going for a Children's Day celebration. The kids, the Igbo kids, would do a game for them. An Igbo game. Hola, hasta luego. We'll do an Igbo game for them. You see, we are in a hurry because we are going to miss the bus, and if we miss this bus, the next one is in 40 minutes time, and we'll be late. Opo late. Nene, say hello.
Hello.
And Kamsi?
Hello.
Kamsi is holding his traditional hat, Igbo hat, and he's wearing his isiagu inside. He has outgrown that isiagu, but he will wear it like that today.
Mommy, what are we going to do there?
You're going to do that traditional game with sticks. That's what you're going to do. We're in the bus.
Yeah.
We made it. Kamsi's over there. Yeah, I think this journey is 15 to 20 minutes. I think we should be there.
Our dad is not here.
Yes, our dad is sick. He has a stuffy nose.
Be careful with your phone.
What will happen to my phone, Nene?
That it can fall down and it can break.
I'll be careful. Thank you for telling me.
That's why holding with 2 hands.
I should hold it with 2 hands.
Yes.
Okay. Yes, ma. Let me show you Neddy's hair. It's another Aboma hair, but this one is like a star in the middle. Come see. This is the river that runs through the city where we live. We have 2 rivers in this city. The other one is on the other side. I don't know why the color is brown today. Normally it's clear and you can see the riverbed. Maybe it rained somewhere because the weather has been changing a lot these days.
Aquí las aguas no son tranquilas y aquí son tranquilas. Ganso.
Wow!
Así de modo. It's looking at the water is like good mud.
Yeah, it's looking like what, no? Today?
That it has got mud.
Yeah, it's muddy today. I was saying it earlier. Normally it's clear. Can we go now?
Okay.
Because we might be late. Let's go. Let's cross
The garden.
the garden. Yes. So I don't know if you can see me because I'm back in the sun now. Ooh, let's be fast so that we can cross the other green man. The what?
Are we going there?
No. We're going that way, I think. I don't even know where we're going. I'm going to find a place. It's been a long time I've been to this side. Let's pass here.
See, mommy.
Yeah?
See.
What's that?
I
I don't know. Let me go check.
Go and check, yeah.
It's with too much pieces of metal.
Yes. It's an artwork. Metallic artwork.
It's so nice.
Yeah.
Nancy, wait for me. Wait, I want to see. Mommy,
Hmm?
it looks like a bird.
Looks like a bird, yeah, with the wings. Yeah, it's true. Looks like a bird, for real.
Looks like a bird.
We go to Las Americas.
A Las Americas. Hmm.
It's a bird, right? It looks like a bird. With a spider web. With a spider web.
Yeah. Looks like a wave, like a sea wave.
Mommy, I thought
This looks like a sinusoid.
The spider
Sinusoid.
waves.
Up, down, up, down. Yeah,
Mommy.
that's what I see with my physics eyes.
Mommy,
Yeah?
see what where they make the newspaper.
Ah, yes. Okay, let's continue. Let's continue looking for where we're going. I think we should take this way and see if we can find it.
It looks like an adventure.
It's an adventure. It's Pokemon adventure.
Pokemon adventure.
Pokemon.
Yes.
Pokemon Go.
Pokemon Go! I think we should take that way. I'm guessing. I don't know, eh?
Cars.
You fall down.
So many colors of different colors. See, mommy.
Wow.
Yeah. It's a water fountain. I think it's off. Turned off.
And they're building. We can check here, over here.
No, I think that is where we're going, eh? I think so.
We cannot go here because this is a house. That side.
Huh?
That side.
Yeah. Let's try.
Big adventure.
You like the adventure?
Yes. Mommy, see what the beer.
It's artwork.
It's looking like a museum. That thing.
Yeah, it looks like a museum. It used to be a train station. Now they've converted it to a civic center.
See where we are.
Okay. Come on, go and press the button.
Okay. No. No, that's it.
Wow, see that tree?
Wow, so nice. And to the right there's a construction.
Yeah.
And another construction to the left.
Yes. There's a lot of construction now because the economy is getting better.
And that tree.
What?
That tree.
Yes, the tree.
And that red and white thing.
Where is it?
There.
There.
It's a tower. It's a telecoms tower for your telecommunications, like a mobile phone. Let's go.
There's no sounding. Wow. This is a civic center.
Yes.
No, you cannot. It's here.
Yeah.
Wow, there are nice lights.
Yeah, very nice, very modern.
It looks like a forest. We have to show the video when we come back home to Daddy.
Yeah.
It's a long balloon at the top.
I don't think it's open. I think we're too early, eh?
There's balloons. Balloons. What ours in the middle.
Yes, that's us in the mirror. I'm wearing a kaftan.
What Ellie?
A kaftan. A kaftan.
Where Ellie?
Ned is wearing the closest thing to a Nigerian dress, a floral wear. And Caps is wearing Isiago. Caps, remove your jacket. Let's see the Isiago.
Ew.
It used to be down here at your knee, no? But now it's up there. And then look at his hat. Come, let me see you. Put it in front, the long part. Put it in front. No, like this. Yeah, like that. That's how it should be. And then you'll be dancing. And then we're supposed to...
It's a civic center. I can see it from that window. Pictures.
Yeah. And Kamsi, come and take your George. Take. You're supposed to tie this one. And Ned is supposed to tie this one. I was supposed to sew it for them, but the materials came very late and I couldn't.
Daddy?
I couldn't sew it, so they're going to just drape it around their body for the presentation. Yeah. They're going to tie it like a wrapper. You and Ned will tie her own. I'll do it for her when the time comes.
Prince, Mommy, Daddy, they're not even coming.
Okay. Let's go and look around for the entrance.
Yes,
Gamsi, where are you going?
We're still looking for the entrance.
And here there's something new.
Like,
Yes? Yes? Hello?
hello, come see.
Ah, this is for printing. Gamsi.
What did they write there? What did they write there?
Salida de emergencia.
Emergency exit.
Okay. So where is the arrow pointing?
Pointing to
Gamsi, see Argentinians.
So that means
Here.
Go and check that door. That one. Or this.
A bottle.
Mommy, which time is it?
It's by 10. They said we should come by 10.
It's true.
Mommy, see, a big rock.
Yeah.
Take your things. I will just hold your hat so that it cannot fall down. What do you think the measure of this tree?
The height? I would say
500.
500 what?
55
What? What's the unit?
meters.
Meters. It's not up to 500 and something meters.
Kilometers.
Kilo? No. It's about 100 meters. The whole tree. Yeah.
For me, it's like more than 50 or more than 25.
We wanted to tell you that they open by 10 and we can enter.
Yeah. They open by
I
10.
I think it's there.
Yeah, it's by 10 that they open. We came early because if we don't come this early, we'll miss the bus. And then the next bus will bring us here too late. So, have to come very early. Unfortunately. Because this killing time is killing me.
This is the first time that we come early somewhere.
What do you mean?
Like in party, in Sonia's.
In party. I thought that you were talking about.
In Prince's house, in Sonia's, and Chichi's. Whenever we come early.
If we come early. In our own words. We come early.
Because it's in our house. You're there already. You shouldn't count that one. Come see.
But here, I think it's the second. Yeah, the second time that we come early because in our house now we're early.
Hi. Why could I not kill me with laughter? We're not in your house, you're early. You don't have to come to your own house. You're already there.
With that auntie that I don't know her name, we were going early.
Which auntie?
When you go to Nigeria,
When I went to Nigeria, which auntie is that?
that it has a baby that his name is Dauda. I don't know the name of that.
Oh. Hawa. Auntie
Yes.
Hawa.
Yes, Hawa. We were going early with Auntie Hawa.
But with mommy?
No.
Don't say that. Yes, we come early with mommy.
Well, sometimes
Wow,
yes.
see. Okay.
What do you mean? What is your definition of early? Early is when you come before the school starts. You're always early, even though sometimes you have to run. Is it not you when I'm telling you to eat fast? You'll be there picking your food. Oh, I don't want to eat anymore. You cry, you laugh, you play, you talk.
No, but sometimes the most times he finish before me, but sometimes I finish before.
But you say the most time, so.
Now give it to me.
My George.
Come see, hold this thing. Let me tie this. Nedi, come. Let me show you. Just stand there and film.
Yes.
So, we're going to tie it like this.
Mom, I'm marking your head.
It like this.
Wow.
That is how you're going to do it. Dance. Come here, dance.
No, you need to dance for 5 minutes. We have to kill 15 minutes. Stop moving like that because you'll be shaking people that are watching the video. You need to keep your hand steady, okay?
Okay. I'm sitting down, okay?
Yes, nobody is coming. I'm a cook.
You're a cook?
Yes, the cooks they have like this for cook something. They have it like this.
We have an apron. It's called an apron.
Okay, for you grass. For comes you grass and for me grass.
Are you a goat?
No, I'm sure that she's
grass.
a natural cook. That's why she's cooking. She's
Grass.
cooking grass.
She's a natural cook.
Yes, she just.
And me, I want to take something from the trees, like apples, pears for eat. Or I'm hungry.
You're hungry? It's too early to be hungry, eh? It's too early to be hungry.
Yes. What are you doing? Mommy, I think that is the man who is opening it.
I wanted to see myself in the mirror.
How do you look?
Fine.
Fine. Good.
Can you take my George? Thank you. Thank you.
We cannot take. They are very big artists.
Yeah. Very good artwork. I like the material. I don't know if you can see it. I don't know what it's called, but it's shiny.
Pero no tienen sillas.
¿Dónde podemos coger sillas?
Ahora traigo.
Ah, vale, gracias.
Claro, lo que pasa que
Ah,
en Nigeria lo habíamos colocado aquí, pero veo que José ha utilizado todo. Así que le voy a decir que tiene que compartir este espacio. Pero creo que está
¿Y qué podemos hacer aquí?
Lo que queráis.
No, jugar con eso.
Pero de momento lo que no está montado, tenemos que esperar un poquitín. Es que necesitamos un poco de paciencia. Pero así de poco, ¿eh? Son solamente 500 gramos, digo yo. ¿500
gramos de qué?
De
De
esperación.
paciencia. Que no-
porque lo vuestro es juegos y vais a hacer algún taller.
no, solo este juego. Sí. Vale, gracias. Rosa, ¿quién es?
Sí, es su hija.
Su hija, sí. ¿Qué decimos? A ver.
No, no, que es mi
Chica, sí. Con su pelo es su hija. Y su cara, qué mona. Activities for the kids. Pumpogene, apankolo, okereke.
Camsi, ya está. Una pieza para la casa.
Muy bien. ¿Y sabéis? Si queréis que sea doble de estas otras que se giran, ¿ves?
Hola.
Con estas podéis hacer que se muevan
Como
las
esta.
piernas así.
Están en esta caja.
Exacto. En esa, pues todas las cajas hay bisagras. Algunas son así, rectitas, y otras son de estas.
No me eso no era en esa caja.
Mira.
Tutacabo.
Tutacabú, vale. Gracias.
¿Cómo se llamaba?
Aquí no cago.
Tote bag.
Yes.
You got it from the Centro Cívico, no?
No, from from la estación antigua.
Yeah, it's the same. Now they've
Ah.
changed it to a civic center. It used to be Antigua Estación de Tren.
I thought that one it was a real train station, but
It used to be a train station. You see that boulevard, the other side? That boulevard used to have rails there, so they removed everything. Anyway, that's it. We enjoyed ourselves. Bye!
bye.